review and demo for you guys. It is going to be about the Snow Skin Whitening products that I have. I have here the Snow Skin Whitening Lotion and then the Snow Skin Whitening Cream. So I have the Snow Skin Whitening Cream on my face right now. I filmed the demo earlier. Okay, let's talk about the Snow Skin Whitening Cream first. I have been using this for almost 2 weeks now. This is on a pricey side. It is 1,499 pesos. So it has a 50 ml of product, and also makita mo dito yung expiration date ng product. So this one will expire December 2017. Some of you guys have been commenting on my videos lately that my face looks glowing. What do I use on my face? Like what CC cream, BB cream, or foundation I have on my face. I haven't been applying BB cream, CC cream, or foundation for the past week and a half because I have just been using this Snow Skin Whitening Cream on my face, and I really like that it gives that CC cream effect on my face. I have it on my face right now with powder over it, and of course, I filled in my eyebrows, I have blush, I have lipstick on, but on my face, ito lang talaga, tapos yung Initial Final powder ko, yun lang, and I really like it. As you guys can see, meron siyang glow na binibigay sa kanya, so kahit nag-apply na ako ng powder, yung face ko hindi siya as in sobrang nagmamatify talaga. Meron pa rin akong glow na nakikita from the skincare product. Now, this is not a CC cream ha. It is full-on skincare product with whitening effects, but I just can't help myself but compare it to my CC cream because again, it gives that effect on me. It evens out my skin tone really well, and over time, naglighten talaga yung skin ko. Na-notice ko siya after a week of using it na parang wow, naglighten na talaga yung face ko ng bonggang-bongga. And if you've been watching me for a while, alam nyo and nakita nyo na hindi ganito ka-lighten up yung skin ko. And for the past week and a half, as in ito lang talaga yung skincare product na gamit ko. Well, aside from my cleanser, but you know, the cream that I have been using, as in ito lang talaga. I stopped using my eye white because I wanted to focus on this, and para makita ko talaga yung resulta niya na siya lang talaga yung ginagamit ko. This one, as in masasabi ko talaga na it works. Tapos, napapansin nyo din, some of you have been commenting on my videos na you look glowing, na pumuti ka and bonggang-bongga, and I was like, yeah, napansin ko rin myself. Basahin ko muna yung claims before I show you guys the clip of me applying this on my face. So sabi dito, reveal the beautiful you with Snow Skin Whitening Cream's Elite 7 Skin Whitening Actives that whiten and lighten the skin while reversing skin problems such as dark spots, age spots, acne marks, old scars, and even skin tone and melasma. Yung pinagmamalaki talaga ng Snow Skin Whitening products is yung Elite 7 Skin Whitening Actives nila. I am not even gonna try and read all of these to you guys, pero ipopost ko yung 7 Skin Whitening Actives nila. Ito talaga yung pinagmamalaki nila na as in bonggang-bonggang epektibo daw sa pagpapaputi. And also, it is hydroquinone free. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but yeah, paraben free, and also it has an airless dispenser. Now let's talk about the packaging. The packaging for me is very freaking legit, you guys. I actually already showed this in my haul. Wait, ibalik ko muna siya sa packaging niya para makita nyo kasi bonggang-bongge. So, ganito yung packaging niya. Again, as I mentioned in my haul, na-confuse ako nung na-receive ko to kasi hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-open. But, i-open mo siya sa baba, and then it will open up like that. Tapos, it will reveal the product ng bonggang-bongga. So, meron siyang ganyang ganap, and all the information you need to know about this product is in here. So, if you're into reading that kind of ish, it's all in here. I personally am not, so I'm just gonna leave that alone. But yeah, the packaging is really impressive. Yung lid niya secure na secure. Doesn't feel flimsy at all. High quality plastic talaga siya. So as I mentioned kanina, meron siyang airless dispenser. So yung nade-dispense mo na product, as in walang air, as in 100% yung skincare product lang talaga yung nakukuha mo. Very simple lang naman yung packaging niya. Makikita at ma-feel mo talaga na hindi siya putyo-putyo. Like very clear yung pagkasulat ng mga information dito. Okay, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on my skin. So gagamitan mo siya after cleansing your face, and sabi dito after applying toner. I do not use toner, so hindi kasali yung toner sa skincare routine ko. So I will go ahead and apply this on my face para makita nyo talaga yung luminous finish niya. And yes, katatapos ko lang mag-shower, and again, I clean my face during my shower. So clean na tong face ko, and I'm ready for the cream. One pump is enough for me. Ganito karami yung one pump niya, which is good. And then I just use my finger to apply the product. So, ganyan yung itsura niya sa face. As you guys can see, it has the really obvious luminous finish sa mukha. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be perfect for those people with dry skin. I'm usually not a big fan of products with this finish on my face kasi I have oily skin. But with this one, I actually really like it. Kasi hindi naman nagiging oily yung feeling niya sa mukha. Hindi din nag-oil up yung face ko. Hindi siya mainit sa mukha. Okay na okay siya. Very lightweight. Nai-even out niya yung skin tone ko. Meron akong pimple, yes, but it's not because of this, I'm sure. It is because it is that time of the month and lagi talaga ako nagkakaroon ng mga pimps kapag it is my time of the month, you know? Sa lahat ng whitening products na nagagamit ko, ito yung mabilis na nag-work sa akin. Again, after 7 days, nakita ko na talaga na yung face ko nag-lighten up. Tapos, yung skin tone ko nag-even out. Bonggang-bongga. Mahal nga siya, pero it works naman. So, why not, diba? Now, I'm gonna apply powder on my face. I do not do this on a daily. Like, kapag nasa bahay lang ako, okay lang sa akin na ganito yung finish niya sa face kasi nasa bahay lang ako. But, kapag lumalabas ako, nilalagyan ko siya ng powder. I will go ahead and apply powder para makita niyo yung finish niya with the powder on. Ganito na yung itsura niya. Sobrang nagustuhan ko dito is, yes, it is a full-on skincare whitening product. Pero at the same time, I can use this as makeup. As you guys see, gives this really nice finish on my face just with powder over it. I have been rocking this look for the past, I don't know how many videos. Pero as you guys see, hindi naman siya nagpo-provide ng bonggang-bonggang coverage. I mean, very light lang ng coverage niya sa face ko. So obviously, if meron kayong maraming blemishes na kailangan i-cover, you will need to apply like a concealer or foundation whatsoever. Pero this one corrects that. Meron ako mga blemishes na as in hindi ko na nakikita. Like this one right here, it's very light right now. You can barely see it. This is a pimple scar and as in sobrang naglalighten na siya. Ginagamit ko siya once a day or sometimes twice a day kapag I have makeup on and I needed to wash my face, clean my face. Nilalagay ko siya ulit. So ito na yung nagiging daytime at saka nighttime moisturizer ko. And yes, you guys, I did not know what else to say but I really like it. It is working on me great. So I'm really happy. Okay, next one is the Snow Skin Whitening Lotion. So same thing, meron din siya ng Elite 7 Skin Whitening Active. Same lang. Wait, let me check if it's really exactly the same. Yeah, so they have the same. I also have been using this for almost 2 weeks now. So same thing, nandito din yung expiration date niya. This one has 175 ml. Tapos this is 799 pesos. Same with the skin whitening cream. It's hydroquinone free, paraben free, and it also has the airless dispenser. So yung packaging niya, same lang din dun sa isa. So ganito yung itsura niya. Malaki siya. Tapos meron din siyang ganyang ganap. And yeah, so again, all the information is here. So with this one, I use 5 pumps. And I know, you might think, wow, ang dami naman 5 pumps. Kasi ito, konti lang yung nade-dispense niya. So each pump, I'll show you ha. So each pump, you will get that much. So, konti lang yung 1 pump niya. Oh my gosh, it feels really cooling on the skin, you guys. I really like it. So, I use 5 pumps on my leg. So, isang leg, 5 pumps. Tapos, sa kabilang leg, 5 pumps naman. Actually, nalagyan ko na yung legs ko eh. Yung arms ko yung hindi ko nalagyan. Sa arms ko naman, I do 4 pumps. So, yan yung 1 pump. That's the second pump. 3, 4. So, that's 4 pumps. Ganito karami yung 4 pumps. Ginaganyan ko siya, tapos nilalagay ko siya sa arm ko. Ang bilis niya mag-blend sa skin. Hindi thick yung consistency niya at all. It gives that really nice cooling effect sa skin. Tapos, as you guys can see, nagbibigay din siya ng luminous finish sa skin. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. With the lotion, hindi ko masasabi talaga na, oh my gosh, pumuti na talaga yung skin ko. Like, you know, different siya sa effect na binigay sa akin ng skin whitening cream. Maybe because I use the skin whitening cream, again, like sometimes twice a day. With the lotion kasi, as in isang beses ko lang talaga siya ginagamit sa isang araw. But I do use it daily. So this part right here is the lightest my skin can get. And this is the shade of my skin right now. Sobrang ganda niya sa feeling sa skin. Hindi siya heavy at all. Again, as I mentioned, meron siyang cooling effect. Gustong-gusto ko siya gamitin sa skin ko. Hindi siya kasing thick ng ibang lotions na nagamit ko. Pero it moisturizes my skin really well. Tapos meron din siyang luminous finish na ganap sa kanya. For me ha, sa lahat ng lotion na nagamit ko, and I have used a lot of lotions, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko na consistency. Kasi again, hindi siya thick, pero nafe-feel ko talaga na mo-moisturize niya talaga yung skin ko. Tapos meron pa siyang very sosyalin, mamahalin na amoy. So, I really like these products, you guys. Yes, may kamahalan siya, but I can see result, and I'm gonna continue using them hanggang sa maubos sila, and I will keep updating you guys sa vlogs ko. Let me know if you're using these products, how it works for you. Is it working for you or is it not? not working for you, let me know. I would love to know. And yeah, that's basically it for this review. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like if you found the video helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Parang high quality plastic. So yung packaging nito, same lang din dim sum. I'm hungry. Okay, without further ahead,